SELECT-BOND is LATICRETE's newest innovative polymer modified tile and stone adhesive that can be used for both thin bed and large heavy tile applications. Designed to be used alone or mixed with one of 3 optional SELECT-BOND Adhesive System kits for additional performance enhancements. When used alone, SELECT-BOND provides a one-step installation for ceramic tile, porcelain tile, marble and stone on floors and walls. The SELECT-BOND Rapid Kit is a component of the SELECT-BOND Adhesive System. The Rapid Kit is designed to be mixed with the SELECT-BOND base adhesive to provide fast-setting adhesive for the installation of tile and stone, and ready for grouting in 3 to 4 hours. The High Performance Kit exceeds ANSI A118.15 and is an excellent large and heavy tile mortar and has superior bond to most substrates. In addition, it has a 30-minute open time and can be used in submerged applications. The Non-Sag Performance Kit supports heavy and tile stone, reducing lippage, for interior-exterior floor and wall applications, and has a superior non-sag performance on walls. For additional information on SELECT-BOND Performance Kits, please refer to the technical data sheets at LATICRETE.com. In each SELECT-BOND kit, you will have 2 water dissolvable packs. You will use 1 dissolvable pack per 25-pound bag of SELECT-BOND adhesive. There will be 10 SELECT-BOND kits in each box of performance packs that you purchase. Here we have a 25-pound bag of white SELECT-BOND that we will be adding a non-sag performance pack to. As always, please read the instructions on the back of the bag to ensure correct mixing directions and correct water ratio. Once we have the precise amount of clean water poured into our mixing bucket, we will add 1 water-soluble non-sag performance pack into our bucket. Once the performance pack has been mixed into your water, mix the entire 25-pound bag into the bucket. Allowing to slake and remixing will allow the material to perform at its highest level, giving you the maximum amount of pot life and open time. For this demo, I will be going over quarry tile that has been prepped with our Prime and Bond multi-purpose primer that allows for installations tile over tile. SELECT-BOND adhesive mixed with the Non-Sag Performance Kit has a very smooth and creamy texture and is ideal for large format material to be built up to 3/4 inch without shrinkage or setup problems. Always be sure to back butter any tiles larger than 8 inches and also make sure that your mortar is combed in one direction to eliminate trapped air in the mortar. Now that the mortar is combed in one direction and the tiles have been back buttered, you are ready to begin the installation of your tile. Make sure when you install the tile that you embed your tile in the mortar and collapse all your ridges to make sure of proper coverage, which according to the ANSI standards and TCNA handbook, interior applications require 80% of coverage and exterior wet applications require 95% coverage. Natural stone also requires at least 95% coverage in all areas. LATICRETE's newest innovative product, SELECT-BOND, is the most versatile, all-inclusive adhesive. SELECT-BOND will help the distributor reduce adhesive inventory by 50% and increase inventory turns by 100%. In addition, SELECT-BOND will ensure that the contractor always has the right adhesive for the job without having to carry multiple bags of varying adhesives. As always, please remember to check the LATICRETE product data sheets for more information on installation and product use at laticrete.com.